Good morning. I have a toy unboxing. My nieces got these Cutie Fruities, and they are just adorable, so adorable. So my sister took me to Walmart. These are from Walmart. I'm not a huge fan of Walmart, but I couldn't find these at Target. So anyway, I ended up buying 8 boxes. These aren't cheap. These are $9.99 a box, and these are plush toys. Inside is a fruit plush. And then the box looks like there's 8 of them, so I bought 8 boxes, but there could be more than 8, and I'm probably going to get duplicates because these are a mystery, but my nieces are more than willing to take my duplicates, so I bought 8. And so the reason I bought these is because they remind me a lot of vegetable toys and fruit plush we had as kids. In the 80s, Monte had a plush line called Country Yumkins, and you collected Monte UPC codes, Monte food labels from your cans of fruits and vegetables, and then you would mail them in and get plush. And my sister got like a pea pod, and I think I got the tomato, and I wish I still had mine. My sister was lucky enough to find another pea pod at a yard sale last year, and then my niece Haley promptly took it because it is adorable. So if you ever, are out thrifting, definitely look for the Country Yumkins from the 80s. They were very popular back then, and I think there's still collectors who want them. Anyway, that's why I bought these, because these are plush fruits. Yeah, all fruits. I don't think any of those are vegetables. So anyway, I'm going to open the first one. So these look like little picnic baskets, and these are plastic, so not only are you going to get a plush, but you have a cute little container. So remember, I'm opening 8 of them, and then they're called Cutie Fruities. Scented, secret stickers inside, 4 or more plush fruit slices included. So yeah, my niece has one. I don't remember which one she had, but I remember thinking it was adorable and that I needed to go to Walmart and get my own. There's my trash can down there. Alright, so it opens up like this. Ooh, I'm already happy. I got a watermelon. Look at this. Watermelon, and then so then this is like a play scene. So you can use this. Oh, why is mine? I'm so sorry for the glare. Let's see if that helps. Okay. Oh my god, this is so adorable. So I see that there's Velcro. It opens up. You peel it like a fruit. I can seed you. And then okay, let's see. I guess you take this out. Oh my god. So it comes apart. So like each watermelon slice is its own little person. Oh my god, adorable. And they have a name on Daddy Melon. This one is Mommy Melon. This one has a little gold bottom. This is Mel. Oh my god, that's funny. And then Melanie. That's too cute. And then they have stickers. Hello Summer. Oh man, these are cute. Cute little watermelon, flamingo. Cute little strip of stickers. And so the little watermelon that holds everything together. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. So good. I can seed You're Amazing, so these are very punny. I'm 1 in a melon. See you in rind. See you around, like see you around. Oh my god, these are too funny. You are juice the cutest. You are just the cutest. I don't have to explain these puns, do I? You're all getting them. I can seed You're Amazing. Oh my god, so these are adorable. I'm going to see if I'm talented enough to get these back in watermelon shape. Put them back. I'm going to leave the stickers out. Use the little Velcro. And then it just pops over like that. Kind of got it back to it. Where'd the face go? Kind of got it back to its correct shape. Okay. First one, watermelon. These are adorable. I definitely think these are worth $9.99. That's how much I paid. Let me look at my Walmart receipt. I actually ended up buying $162 of toys at Walmart. All I bought was toys. I'm going to do a couple of videos showing the toys I got. And yes, these are $9.96 plus tax. Very cute. Alright, and I can get it to close. How does this... Alright, there's really no latch. The lid just shuts down. There's really no latch. Okay, that's the first one. Alright, let's do number 2. Alright, the one that I really wanted was the watermelon. But the banana looks cute too. I think Abby had the orange. Nah, I wouldn't mind the orange. Sorry, I'm just trying to throw it into the trash can. I should just throw. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's the orange, right? I got the orange. Oh my god. And the scene is different. So it's different window scenes. This has a waterfall, looks Hawaiian. There's a surfboard. And I got the orange. And sorry. There's a cord right here that keeps coming undone and it's ruining. Oh my god. Why is it? There we go. I'm gonna have to throw stuff over here. It's an old laptop. I don't like change. I don't want to buy a new one. Alright, so you see, it's got little puns written on the flaps, and then you have your orange slices. So we have, this is a lemon, Olivia. I mean, this is green, so that'd be a lime, right? And this is yellow. Ona. Ona orange. Ollie. And then Opal. And they're cute. They got cute little faces, little people fruit. And then the stickers. This is going to end up being a long video, isn't it? And they're Hawaiian themed. It says Aloha. Very, very cute. Orange, you cute. Very cute. Let's see what the puns are. Orange, you glad to see me. Oh, I remember that one. We have sweet style. Bring on the juice. Let's get Fruit Loopy. Orange, you glad to see me. Yes, I'm very glad to see the orange. Alright, so the two I wanted I got right off the bat. I'm sure when my niece Abby watches this, she will be praying for duplicates. So she can have my duplicates. And then put the Velcro back at the top. Try to get it closed. And there you go. Not perfect, but good enough. Oh my god, and they're so soft. And you know what? This one's weird. It does not smell. The watermelon was very clear. I could clearly smell watermelon. Very light. I really have to sniff it. I don't get orange. That's weird. It's like they forgot to spray this one. Alright. The next one. Sorry for my squeaky chair. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's kind of annoying me. Time to buy a new chair. Oh, it's already 8 minutes and I've only opened 3. I'm a talker. Sorry. And this one is, oh, and I broke the lid. This one is a potato, I think. Or is it an onion? Is this a potato or an onion? And let me see if this is this really broken? No, it just pops back into place. Okay. So, is this a tomato? Is this a potato? I'm gonna go with potato. It has no smell. It doesn't smell bad, but it has no smell. It's so weird. Because the watermelon clearly smelled like watermelon, and none of the other two have not had smells. Oh, it's a peach. This is a very odd colored peach. And you know what? I kind of do get a peach smell, but I really have to sniff hard. So, that's a little disappointing. Alright, so you got your 4 slices, and this, oh, this is an added bonus. There's a little puppy inside. The other two did not have little surprises. This one has a pit puppy. I guess because peaches have pits. A pit puppy. This one is Patrick. This one is Petra. This one is Polka Dotty. Polka Dotty. Seriously. Polka Dotty. And Pedro. Alright. Sweet as peaches and cream. You are a peach. I'm gonna dotty. I'm going to dotty. I don't get that one. I'm just peachy. Sweet as peaches and cream. Alright. These are adorable. I'm going to Dottie. I don't know. I don't always get puns. But they are cute puns. I'm kind of getting the whiff of peach right now, but it just wasn't as strong. So far, the watermelon has been the only super strong smelling one. Okay. Buddies, she's very soft. And I would not have guessed a peach. This, to me, I guess, is it hard to get peach coloring? I don't know. I guess now I can see it that I realize it's a peach, but I don't know. Why is this Velcro? Alright, what did I do wrong? So I need to do that one, and then do that one. There we go. Does this look like a peach to you? Is this clearly a peach? Am I just blind? It still kind of looks like a potato to me. The coloring looks brown. And I know that this is a laptop, so it's probably not the best coloring, but still it doesn't look like peachy to me. I'm not complaining, I'm just making comments. It's still adorable. And then the stickers, you're a peach. And is it? It's missing one. The other were like 4 strips. This is only 3 strips. Weren't they? I swear the other 2 were 4 strips. Alright. Here we go. I gotta move quickly now. As long as you guys don't care that it's already 11 minutes. Okay. Alright, so this one is the orange. Yes, this is the orange. I'm not even gonna open it. I know this is the orange. You know what, let me just peek to make sure the inside. We're having a yes. This is the orange. So this is a duplicate. So I gotta ask Abby. Well, if Abby already has I think she already has the orange. But remember, Abby has a sister Haley. They are only 2 years apart, and they're both collect the same things. So this will be Haley's. Let me put that to the side. So remember to give that one to her. So 1 duplicate so far. I knew I was gonna get duplicates. That's fine. But I want them all. So, and I'm not going back to Walmart. I gotta see if Walmart sells this stuff online because I am not a fan of Walmart. I will actually talk about that experience in another one of the toy hauls. It's just, I don't want to get into it right now, but I did not have a good experience at Walmart. Oh my god. This is new. Now this is a potato, right? Look at that creep. That face is kind of creepy. This guy's a little creepy. Alright, so I'm going to say this is a potato. So let's see. Is this a potato? What is this? Oh my god. What is it? Let's see. So these are flat Kayla. This is going to be like Kayla. It's a kiwi. It took me a couple minutes. Kiwi slices. Oh my god. And this, I don't know, it has a slight smell. It just, I can't, kind of just smells like an air freshener. And then King Kiwi. And then a pink kiwi, Kira the pink kiwi. So there's 4 slices. I'm trying to, yeah, it's just a fruity, light smell. And then the stickers. Okay, this was only 3 sheets. Maybe all I did was get 3 sheets of the stickers. Aren't these adorable? This one's a beach theme. Topic like it's hot. Got some tiki mugs. The scene in the back is another Hawaiian scene, bedroom scene. I'm gonna have to say this is my new favorite. A kiwi. So adorable. You hold the kiwi to my heart. Pleased as fruit punch. You have mass appeal. It's cool to be kiwiing. It's cool to be kiwiing. Is that supposed to be it's cool to be queen? Kiwiing? I don't get that one. Alright. Adorable. Okay, so then we'll put them back in like this. Oh my god. I am getting a fruity smell. Besides, I can't really name it, but it's definitely stronger. Definitely stronger than... Okay, now how does this work? Definitely stronger than the others. The watermelon is still the strongest smelling. And I cannot... It's not really... I guess you just Velcro it on top of the kiwi slice. Okay. That is... So far I've only got one duplicate. I have 3 to go. Bear with me. 3 more. Let's see what else. Pineapple. Oh, I'd like to get the pineapple. Let's see if we can get the pineapple. Okay. Oh, this is the peach. Alright. Yes, this is the peach. Let me double check, because this face, is this face different? Is this the peach? You are peach. This is the peach. So I'll leave that in the box for my nieces. So now they get 2 of them. Lucky girls. I think I'm actually going to go to their house on Monday to take them to the pool again. They have a nice pool near their house. And I've been there twice so far with them. And it's a lot of fun. Their mom works during the day. I don't think they have any activities next week. So I've been offering to take them to the pool. And I like getting in the water. I just float around while they play with their friends. It's fun. And it's a nice pool. So I'm sure they'll be happy with their surprises. Is the watermelon. Now see, I instantly smell watermelon. This is the only one that I can just smell it from here. I can smell it from here. It's got a good smell. Now they get 3. Last one. Last one. I'm praying for the pineapple. So see, let's see. There's a banana. And then this is an apple. And this is a pear. And the pineapple. So, did I already say pineapple? So there's 4 I need. Pineapple, pear, banana, and apple. And I really want the pineapple. And you know, honestly, I'm probably going to buy more. Because I kind of think I need the complete set on this. I'll have to look on eBay to see if people are selling open ones. I don't know. Holly said, said that I was lucky to find these because the last time she saw them at Walmart, they sold out pretty quickly. So, and the orange. So I got two oranges, a watermelon, and a peach for the girls. So 4 and 4. 4 duplicates and 4 new. But you know what? I'm going to have to say, these are awfully cute. If you're into Plush, they're adorable. And it has a cute container that you can use to store other stuff. It's a little picnic basket. So yeah, I'm going to buy more. You're probably going to see another unboxing because I think I need the other 4. I wish they had these at Target. I really do because I hate going. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons and I will see you later.